What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Lando Success. I am doing a fast. I don't know how long I'm doing the fast for. The way I'm doing it, I'm doing literally no food. But we can do, I'm doing food. But we can do fruits, vegetables, juices, smoothies, and water. I'm planning to do it for 10 days, at least a week, because at this point, my body feels terrible. Since we're moving, I don't know my scale at, but I feel like I'm about 197. And since I rest for years, I'm probably close to that number. And belly just got too big. Sorry for the people who had to see that. My acid reflux is completely destroying me lately. Need to completely do it. Detox to my body. Get some of this weight down. Feel good spiritually, mentally. And for Omar. Omar, he didn't say what's up. Say que paso. So he's having a little quick snack. So far today I just had was a banana. Gonna have lots of water. It's gonna be interesting. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. It's gonna be interesting. Wish me luck. It's gonna be wild.
Won't you give me the...
So it's about noon right now, and I'm starting to get a little hungry, a little lightheaded, because I only had that smoothie and a half of a banana. So in the back of my mind, I'm already starting to think how hard this actually going to be. I have done fast, like 24-hour water fast, before. I realized I couldn't do it when I was working for the airlines, like being on a plane going up and down. My body couldn't take it. So I know I'm gonna probably start having headaches. Few things, probably need to take some vitamins. I might do one vitamin, like a man's multivitamin or some B12 for energy. That's what I might need to go do. Now I'm wondering if it's mental or if it's real. Like things going 0 to 100. So with this fast, should I be able to have some peanut butter? Because I need some type of energy. And let me know in the comments if I should be able to do this. Because my body is completely going down. Almost down on camera. It's going down. And I want to go out and go do some Uber Eats or go make some money today. But I have no idea how that's going to work. Can't double dip. Hopefully this give me some energy. I need to go to the store and go get some stuff. Who have a kid that watch Family Feud? This kid loves Steve Harvey. Alright, so here go an update. I'm feeling a little bit better after that. Have some B12. A little bit left. Gonna take one of these a day that give you energy. I did have a 1 men's a day vitamin deal, but I seen it expired in 2020. So that's not gonna work. It's more. And my wife randomly had these Owens, only what you need. So it's like a protein powder, but it's vegan protein powder. It's vanilla, plant-based. It's not nasty, it's just not good. Sorry, Owen, if you're watching this. God bless. It's okay. Alright, I'm getting a little bit more energy. I'm ready to get active. Let's get up off this house. Alright, we finally made it in the car to get out and do something completely different. So the first place we are going is to go pick up this trophy for my fantasy football team. Now, I think this year is going to be $200 a person. We do a high stake, winner take all. And Dillip won last year, so I need to go get his trophy. Give it to him. Collect some money for next year. And then we're going to try to go do some orders, do some Uber Eats. I got water with celery. And I have this. And we'll see how it goes. I'm feeling okay. Good to get outside, get some fresh air. Let's get it. Bunch of different options. Look how big that boy is. Once we keep on doing some more money, we need to do this for like MVP or something. That'd be dope.
Let me know how to love now. Let me know how to trust you.
Here goes the trophy. You don't want to have everybody last names in there. Shit Talkers Fantasy Football League, baby. Champs.
We can link, why don't you ring my phone? I don't need a quick fling, I need the real thing. If you ain't, leave me alone, no. I ain't gonna front, you are my good luck. I've been waiting on it days and weeks. You were turning into my baby B. Like, have you ever thought about dating me? Basically, I'm trying to woo you, girl. How you waking up thinking who you, girl? Bourbon Street, you a voodoo girl.
So the book I'm listening to is the Ultimate Guide to Fasting. Trying to keep my mind in the spirit and getting hyped up, such as the benefits of fasting, things like that. Just picked up an order. It's a double order, paying $20, going 14 miles. So we gonna see how that go. I'm feeling okay. Well, I'm feeling weird, man. I'm feeling weird. Not regretting it. I'm just basically got a little bit of doubt, because I used to do fasting so easy, mind over matter. But when you become I'm not going to fat shame, you become obese, get a little bit hard. Talking about diabetes right now. Dietary solution. Don't want diabetes, just want to be the best healthy version of myself. Let's do it. I can do it. Alright, things just got interesting. So I just delivered those 2 orders, and I was checking my load board, such as delivering trucks, and I seen one picking up in Richmond, Virginia tomorrow, driving it back to Michigan, like an hour away, hour 20 minutes away, Birch Run. Oh, and I picked it up. So we're going to see if I do that. This is fast. It's going to get interesting, because being on an airplane makes it so much freaking harder. Then driving, I think it's 600, close to 700 miles with no food. So we're going to see. You might see me at the airport tomorrow. We'll see. Random update. This is what happens when you have a empty. First, my check oil light came on, which never ever came on. I had oil in it. I just put some more. It's still on. And then start running hot. And I just got like a new radiator thing put on there, just in case. We about to put some more antifreeze in there. So that $20 I made, 14 of it just went right here. So I'm probably gonna lose money, and I spent $20 to get the trophy out. So I'm down today. I'm in the negative. Random stuff happens. So my car's still drivable, but the reason I didn't drive it up there is because whenever, this is for people, warning alert, ladies and gentlemen, whenever your car is hot, you do not want to try to open it. This is what happens. Now, yes, I knew this was going to possibly happen, so I tried to twist it off as quickly as I could. I should have got that on video. Then it just started spraying everywhere. And so I was like, okay, let me not drive it here so it can cool down. So I'm about to try to open this as quickly as I possibly can, because if I don't, it's going to sizzle and go crazy. Come on, open. All right, good. See, that looks, it could be because I spilled some out here, but it looked like it just needs some more antifreeze. Because I have a new one of these, new fan and stuff put on. Hoopty life. Alright, good news. It's not running hot and no more crazy signs. It's crazy the oil sign probably came on just because of antifreeze. And the crazy thing, I got another car to drive, but you don't want to drive a newer car doing Uber Eats and stuff, completely put miles on you. Prefer to put the miles on you. So you just gotta love it. It's gonna lay you back, and y'all gonna go through some times, but it's okay. We gonna get through these times. Let's go. The problem is, number one, I chose to go out and go do Uber Eats and stuff and Grubhub be around nothing but food, nothing but restaurants, smelling food in my car. Number two, I haven't eaten nothing but celery since earlier today. Not the smartest thing, because I was like, okay, I'm going to get some grapes and get some fruit when I'm on my way home, which wasn't a good idea because now my body is going into like a shock. Breathing is weird, breathing is off, getting a little lightheaded. My body's basically saying, eat. That's what it's telling me. I don't know about y'all, but oh, Lord. And I was doing good until my wife was like, hey, babe, if you don't eat nothing when I did a fast, you better eat something. If not, this is going to happen. As soon as she said it, my body, I don't know, it could be in my mind. I don't know. Wish me luck. So I'm shutting this down. I made probably about $50 today, I think. So I might be in the green, but it's going to go right back down once I buy this food. So I just got to Kroger. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm about an 8. I feel terrible. My stomach is growling. My breathing is off. I'm very lightheaded at this point. I'm literally about to just go throw some grapes in my mouth and see. What up, though? What's up, baby? How you been? Doing good. What's up? As of right now, this don't feel like a good idea. And I'm listening to the book, and they like, yeah, you know, you're not going to be starving. It's healthy. And oh my God, I just want to throw an avocado in my damn mouth. Jesus. I was going to make my own celery juice, but I realized I got a flight tomorrow, so I ain't gonna better take this through. I just read walnuts are the best for your brain and fasting and losing weight. So I'm gonna add this to the diet because I can eat this with my avocado. I know people in the comments gonna be like, Lando, what the hell are you doing? I don't know. I'm figuring this thing out, y'all. I'm figuring this thing out. Oh man, pray for a player. Pray for a player. Right now, I feel like a 10 out of 10. I feel amazing. And primarily, so I'm in the grocery store. For those that don't know, I am selling my house. And today is the day that I just listed it. And I got a request for somebody to come see it tomorrow. When I tell you I'm stoked. So let me tell y'all the truth. The full deal. So first thing first, I'm doing this fast for health reasons. Because my health it's just been, I think it's at the worst it's been like most of my life, where my acid reflux all-time high. Just feel terrible just looking at my body, bags in the eyes, just everything. I'm like, there's some stuff I need to change. And the second thing is the spiritual part. It's because whenever you want something, in my opinion, you have to give something up. And since I want my home to be sold, come on, dog, out of every place to park, you come park right next to me. I'm sorry y'all had to witness that. Like, come on. So I'm editing that part, and you know, like, I'm just trying to talk about being positive and what you want to do, and I apologize again, y'all. I had to leave that in. I'm trying to be like positive and shit. I forgot what I was about to say, but long story short, I believe, in my opinion, if you want to get something, you have to give something. And this is my sacrifice to get what I want before I move into my next house, which is 10 days away. So that's why I'm technically trying to do this. And she's looking at me and trying to smile. But, yep, it's too much going on. So I'm about to head home, and we will talk once I get home. Later. Dear airplane. Sure. You do what you just was doing. So, guys, I feel great. We got great news. Day 1 is almost finished. My energy is back. I've been eating random stuff. I've been eating grapes. I've been eating all type of stuff. What you think about my fast, babe? I'm proud of you, babe. I'm excited. You excited? So I was gonna have this conversation with them, but would you be mad if I go give you a bottle of water? No, it'd be great. But I was gonna have this conversation with them. But since you're here, so since I'm fasting, and I'm wondering about my energy. But I'm about to leave for the next few days, and I possibly want some ass. So will that drain my energy down too much?
Possibly. So we probably should fast from that too.
You
Why
a
are you
hater.
so rude? Like, I hope you bleep that out.
That's what she get for getting wine without a player, but I'm feeling good, y'all. Oh, you already done drunk it.
No, because I had some with Mom. When Mom was here, I gave her a cup. We had this. When was Mom here last?
Lush up when you gotta make excuses about your drinking habits. Yo, so since I knew I was going on a fast, I grabbed a 6-pack of beer. I don't know what I thought I was gonna do, just go nuts on crazy food and beers. I had one beer and my acid reflex and breathing just went all messed up. And no, I had one.
There's 3
And
left.
oh my Lord, you can't count. But I had one beer and I was gonna have my cigar, but since my life was messed up, I didn't have any of it. So that showed that I actually needs fast. So let's look over everything I ate. Well, I actually haven't updated since I've been back home. But I know in the morning I had half of a banana. I have 1 celery stick. I had the not good tasting but not bad vegan shake, about half of that.
Those vegan shakes are delicious.
1 just pepper.
For those of you
Some
looking
walnuts.
for a delicious protein shake that's pre-made, Owen, OWYN, it's only what you need. It's delicious. That was my club.
So what I did, I got some walnuts and I got me some avocado, and I'm gonna eat walnuts with avocado. I don't know how that's gonna taste. They say walnuts is better for your brain and better for losing weight. So tomorrow, y'all will see me at the airport. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a whole nother adventure because I have to drive probably like 12 hours. And that's physically and mentally exhausting to be able to do this while still not eating too much.
And mark my
So
words.
it's gonna be interesting.
He's going to forget something. So all this stuff that he just bought,
You a hater.
this is what my husband does. It's not about being a hater. These are facts. He's going to forget something.
I'm
Watch.
gonna edit you out. I'm not gonna forget nothing. If so, I'm just gonna go to Walmart and buy it again. Another one. Later, y'all. I found the scale. So with clothes on, what did I tell you guys? 197, 198. So you take all the clothes off, you 197. Yeah, so I just told Tennille I'm okay. She was gonna go in the room and eat this. And these fries are smelling good. I do got willpower.
Feel the love through my eyes, and I know you have to go, but don't you ever quit when you feel alone. Just remember me while you are gone.